Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do here now is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install Image Magic from source. And what that's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to go ahead and use the latest version of Image Magic. If you compile it from source, uh, you can compile it with more configurations, options, and stuff. It's usually the best way to go for a lot of stuff like this, quite honestly. So in order to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go ahead and go to Image Magic GitHub, like this right here. And I'm going to click on Image Magic GitHub. And let's go ahead and go to 204 releases here. And you can download their app image and just rename it to like convert, which is just like an executable binary. Or you can go ahead and do the source code, which we're going to go ahead and do the source code here. So in order to go ahead and do the source code, I'm going to open up a terminal. And I'm going to go ahead and do SSH root fix PC. And then I'm going to go ahead and do KDIR. Oh, actually, let's go ahead and do this. Copy link address, wget, and then insert that. And then I'm going to go ahead and do tar xf 71 up there, and then cd Image Magic like that, right? And it has make files in here, so it's got configure too. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is go ahead and do configure. And while it's configuring, I'm gonna go ahead and go down. Just look at some of their documentation here, okay? Then we go ahead and look at their readme, the text. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a make dash J 128. Yes, I have a lot of cores on my server. A lot. And then leaving directory. Okay, and I'm gonna do make install dash J36. And that's going to go ahead and install all of it. Now, this was a just a standard install. And so it's saying libraries have been installed to user local lib, right? And so if I go to user local lib, you'll see that's where the libraries are. Now, it's one thing you need to know about this is you need to go to etc.ld.conf, ldso.conf right here. And where's that at? Yeah, so you'll see if you look at the user local lib x8664, it is going to be in including that. So you do ld config like that, and that should just renew your library cache. Unfortunately, a lot of distros have problems with library stuff. You're doing a lot of custom stuff. Gent is really nice because you can always do your libraries. So anyway. Okay, so that is good there. That's good. Now, which Okay. Let's go ahead and look, user local lib. C and cdbin. So if you look at it, went ahead and installed the binaries into user local bin, and if you look, the binary command is called Magick, right? So it's a little different. The older image Magick, they use the word convert. For this, it's called Magick. Now, to make it compatible with older scripts, what you can go ahead and do is, oh, they already did a convert right here. So if you look, they already has symlink for convert. I was about to tell you to symlink it. So which convert user local bin convert. So you're going to want to run this command to see what your operating system decided to use. If you're seeing a link to something else besides this, that means it's using probably the one from your distributor repository, and you're going to go ahead and need to remove that link. You need to go ahead and remove that binary so it picks up this one as the primary one. Otherwise, you're going to be using the older version. Another thing is, if you have any complaints, I'll probably do another one of these videos with a bone stock install. But this is just going to be a standard one, so there's going to be some dependencies and stuff you need. But it didn't bring anything up, and I didn't need any extra dependencies, right? So I'm good. But if you do need dependencies, you'll be warned. And what you need to do is, if it's say, hey, when you're unconfigure or whatever, you're missing so and so, you just need to go ahead and search for that package. If you can't find it, put the keyword lib in front of it, tab it out with like a fish shell when you're searching your repository, when you're searching your distributor repository, and go ahead and give it another whirl. Anyway, that's it for now. If you like the video, like and subscribe.